Okay, here we go. Week 17. We're going to start off. I'm just going to skip through this stuff. This is just a tutorial. I don't need this. I'm just going to try to do this as fast as I can. Okay, we got that one down. Oh, I never complete this. There we go. And I failed. So it seems like I can't do this. Okay. There we go. Oh, I'm good at the game. There we go. Okay, now I got it. Okay, good. Now it wants me to run with my quarterback. And I kicked a field goal. Woo! I already know how to do all of this. Just trying to do this very fast. So we will be rebuilding our team this season. So this game is going to be very, very simple because it's very hard to lose, I would say. I mean, the first time I played this game, I lost. But running in the first game of the season is so OP. See, they just miss every tackle because they're, yeah. So I want to try to get like over 100 yards this game just to boost the running backs upgrades. Maybe I'll draft a running back. I don't know yet. Okay. You know what? Let's just throw the ball right here. See, they just can't tackle in this game right now. The farther you get into it, the harder it gets. Let's go for 2. Very fun game. Let's run it again, because why not? I mean, look at that. That should be a tackle every time. Like I said, this is not going to be easy as it goes on. Because I have another season where I'm a coach, right? I mean, you're obviously a coach, but I'm 9 years into my season, and it's so hard to run the ball. I have a really good team. Maybe I should try to lose this game. But then I get a better draft pick. Let's give it to him, make a man miss. Make all of the men miss. And that should be a touchdown. Almost there. So close. And it's a touchdown. Let's get our kicker some XP. Okay. I'm gonna lob it up to Kern. That's his name. It's just too easy in this last week. Let's go for 2 here. Oh, didn't mean to do that, but hey, it's a 2-point conversion anyways, so that's good. You know, if this quarterback is 3 stars, I mean, if he's under like 4 stars, then I'll probably draft a quarterback. See, that shouldn't happen. They should make week 17 in your first season a lot harder. Not a lot harder, actually, this is fine. That's never gonna happen. The game looks like it's over. Just gonna try to lob it up. Oh, this guy has no arm strength. Oh, 44 yards. Good play. Game over. Our fans are up. Gonna praise him. If we win like that, we won, right? Yeah, we won. Okay, we didn't make the playoffs. We were 2-14. Okay, couldn't be. Oh, he retired. This is the team. Let's see him. Ooh, he's really bad. He's also pretty bad. Kern's really bad. Oh, this team's really bad. Everyone here is really bad. I might just cut all of them. Yeah, let's do a draft. There's a really, really good quarterback here. Oh, he looks so good. Oh, but the wide receiver also looks amazing. Is there a running back? Oh, I can take a second round running back. Or Ramsey looks... Oh, no, I cannot pass up on this one. I would like him to have max speed, but he has really good stamina, he's a really good all-around player. Him. Any other ones that are worth? No, he's not. I think I'm gonna go. Wait. Let's see who's worst. Okay, has really good accuracy, but oh yeah, I can't have him on this team. So I'm gonna take Lowry here. Sign him. Let's trade him for a second rounder. Let's sign Lowry. Oh, now we have an all defensive. He has star potential. I think I'm gonna take him. Wait, 21. Yeah, I'm gonna take him. Wait, who has 12 mil? 7 mil for 2 years? Oh, he's so much more money. Yeah, I'm gonna take him. Okay. Oh, I really need a running back. Take Jeffrey Lamp. Okay, where's the team? Foster. Let's trade you for a second round for next season. Sign Lamp. Now we can get an okay tight end. Crowder. Oh, here. I'm gonna get another receiver. I think that's very important. And I'm just gonna stack up the defense a little more. How much are you? 5 mil. Yeah, I don't need a tight end this season. I'll get one next year. Okay, week 1. I'm gonna play one game. And then I'm gonna end it. See where hopefully we win this. I got audibles, timeouts. Lamp, our new running back, gets 24-yard gain. Let's give it a Lamp. He runs up the middle. 5-yard gain. That's very good, I think. I'll take that. Let's give it to our receiver. Oh, but Lamp takes it, and he stiff arms someone. Good play. He can't burn anyone, so I'm just gonna drop it up down there. Yep. Oh, can he? Oh, so close. Let's run it. Lamp. Ooh. No gain. Let's run it outside with Lamp. Come on, get in there. 3rd and goal. Drop it over there. And he catches it. Kern. Let's go for 2. Nice. 8-7. Our defense holds up. We only give up the field goal. Or let's give it to the rookie receiver. Oh, so close. I almost had him. Let's give it to the rookie. I'm pretty sure that's the rookie receiver, yeah. I have my timeouts. I'm gonna try to get some yards. I'm gonna stop the clock here. Let's see if we can hit this field goal. I don't know, it might be too long. Oh, wow, that was lucky. I want him to turn. There we go. Oh, that was such a bad throw. And I threw a pick. That's not good. That was totally on me. And they go down and score a touchdown. Okay, we need a touchdown here. I don't want to lose our first game of the season. This is not how I'm looking to do this. I still have another quarter left, but let's give it a Kern, the veteran on our team. I don't even know how old he is. Probably really young. Oh, Lamp having a big game today. Not a big game on the ground, but he's having a very big game due to the passing. Oh, he got jammed up there. Wonder if we can get our rookie a touchdown. First game. Oh, I missed him again. Keep on missing him deep. Oh, and he's still gone. Touchdown. Yeah, let's go up by 1. We need our defense to stop them. Baltimore punts. Okay. He's not fast. Is he fast? No, I'm just gonna cut him back inside. There we go. Nice. 16 yards. Let's feed it to Lamp. Nice. 3 yards. Take that every day. 1 yard. 2nd and 6. I think we're gonna throw here. Got him. Nice. 11 yards. Perfect. Wow, I threw it way out of bounds. Let's lob it up. Touchdown. Let's go. And I think we're going to win here. Hopefully if our defense holds up. Yeah, we won. Two coaching credits. We're in the wild card. Let's praise the team. Get the morale up. No upgrades. Let's see this. Lowry, 168 yards, 3 touchdowns. Lamp, 62 yards. Aston, 68. Kern, 39. Okay, I just want to see how much. Kern, he's 33. Yeah, he's definitely the veteran on this team. Bunch of rookies. Let's see any really good free agents. I can't sign any of them yet. Oh, he looks so good. Okay. Well, that's the video for today. Hope you enjoyed. Hope I see you next time. See you next time. Peace.